Okay, here we go. Let's show off how we can stand up. Come here, see if it works. We love this. Come here. Here we go. Look at me. Look at me. Are you standing up? You are. You're using your legs. You're standing up, Cooper. I'm not helping you very much at all. Yeah, I'm not lifting you. I'm only steadying you. Those are your little legs. Oh, now we have a nerve. Was that a big exertion? Look at you stand. Look at you. Don't worry, we'll clean that up. Look at Cooper, standing up, a little wobbly. But he is quite strong. Aren't you, buddy? Look how strong you are. Look at you. Are you standing? Mmm. Mmm. M. That's very good. I've been singing all day, making lots of noises. I'm a big boy. Oh, I like standing better than sitting. Don't you, buddy? Yay, Cooper! I know it's exciting, isn't it? Mwah! I'm so proud of you. What a big boy you are. Oh, look at this. You're not tired yet? Oh, now we're getting a little tired. A little tired. That's great. Mwah! Beautiful job, Cooper. Way to go, buddy. That's a great practice. Yeah. You're all right.